Hi friends, welcome to Bob's Wellness channel. In this video we are going to see about thyroid diseases, both hyperthyroidism as well as hypothyroidism, their causes and also the remedies through simple techniques through which you can normalize the functioning of this gland. Before getting into this video, I am taking the pleasure of informing you that all our subscribers are having the privilege of getting a free consultation at our center for any kind of ailment at any time. So you please make use of this, and the details of the contacts and phone numbers are available there in the screen. Thyroid is a butterfly shaped endocrine gland located at our neck. This is functionally controlled by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland in our brain. The thyroid gland secretes two critical hormones, T3 and T4. These hormones influences the vital functions in our body like breathing, heart rate, then central and peripheral nervous system, body weight, menstrual cycle, body temperature, muscle strength and cholesterol. When these thyroid hormones are secreted more than the normal required level, this condition is called hyperthyroidism. On the contrary, if the secretion is less than the required level, then it is hypothyroidism. In general, hypothyroidism is a common prevailing thyroid disease all across the globe. The causes are either due to autoimmune disease or due to the deficiency of iodine in the body. We can identify with certain symptoms if the person is having either hypo or hyper. As already we have seen that the thyroid hormones are influencing the rate of the functioning of the cells in the body. In case of hypothyroidism, where the excess secretion is there than the required normal level, what happens is the functioning of the heart will be more. So heart rate will be higher, the breath higher frequency, there will be trembling in hands and fingers, you will have scanty and prolonged menstrual cycles, you will have irritability and sensitive to the high temperatures. The symptoms for hypothyroidism will include moodiness, physical and mental fatigue. They will have increased body weight, then joints and muscle pain. They also will be having dry skin and hair and depression. These are all the common symptoms. Now let us see how to correct the imbalances naturally. Already we have seen one of the major cause for these thyroid aberrations is the autoimmune disease. So in order to address this, we need to detoxify our body. Further, what we have to do is that cleanse the colon properly, and also you go for intermittent fasting also. This detoxifies your body, and also ensure that you sleep at least 7 to 8 hours at night. And you have to do at least 30 minutes of ordinary physical exercises involving pranayama also. That is good to stimulate your pituitary as well as detoxify your body. Then there are certain points in the body which will have the impact on your thyroid glands. First one is the local points located in and around the thyroid. So first one is located just above the sternum bone, where you will have the pit. This depression, slowly, mildly apply the pressure here, and you ensure that you don't just pierce inside and damage your trachea. So you can apply the pressure intermittently just by giving the inward pressure especially. So 10 to 20 times would be normal. Another point is located just above the Adam's apple. Here also you apply mild pressure, because this area is very sensitive. You ensure that you don't damage the cell there. So this is the area where you can apply the pressure. Then on both the sides of the thyroid gland, you just take 3 fingers, put here and mildly massage this side for a few minutes. Similarly on this side also you just massage. Afterwards, there are certain points there in the ear. This is the one which directly correlates to your thyroid gland. Exactly near to this location, hope you see this clearly. You just pinch this point for at least 20-21 times firmly. And another endocrine point is located just inside this intratracheal notch in your ear. So here also you can just hold like this and apply firm pressure and release for at least 20 to 21 times. And then try to take more food containing selenium and vitamin B12, which are having the properties to stimulate the thyroid glands. And also ensure yourself at least for 20 to 30 minutes in the natural sunlight. The contents and remedies given in this video are highly effective. You will realize this when you practice this regularly. I request especially the ladies for continuously with full belief do this and you reap the benefit. If you require further more details about this, either you can contact us or place it in the comments. Thank you.